You will not believe how good this healthy cheesecake tastes and will want to make this right away. Packed with protein, low with carbs and sugar, and the best part? It's made with cottage cheese. So if you're ready for it, welcome to a new episode of Abs in the Kitchen. Let's start making this healthy cheesecake by putting our cottage cheese into the blender cup and adding protein powder. I use Herbalife banana shake and vanilla protein mix. The quality and taste of their product is amazing. For a little extra sweetness, let's add some sweetener. I like stevia and some lime juice. Once all in, we're going to blend this until fully smooth. Next, let's get to the stove and bring the berries out. I had some blackberries and blueberries on hand, but you can go with your favorites, such as strawberries, raspberries, and make it your way. First, we need to heat up the pan, then add the berries in and about a half a cup of water and let it simmer. Now it's time for xanthan gum. Stir it in and mix until the berries are gel-like consistency. Finally, it's time to build our cheesecake. I use crushed Rice Krispie cereal as a base, then our blended cottage cheese layer, and top with berry mix, and repeat. This dessert comes out so yummy. Perfect mixture of creamy, crunchy, and sweet. Try this out and let me know what you think. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and ring that bell so you will get notifications for more videos like this.